And at this point, you borrow the camp of the NPP as a party. Now, a jabi as a horn more elder butu. Enye de kuma. Honorable Akompra Kun Agyapong, Kennedy Agyapong, we started serious attack on Bawumia, calling him a big liar. In fact, what we are seeing now, who will be a uchatro, as a Bawumia, 80 delegates, no, Mawomo and Tumano. Ediaba assembly the DBP Hadamo, Mamma Chimu, not a wide ever comment section. I Penyah block media, met was any demo. Over like video, no other, my brother's crab button, some back click verification, conflicts, updates, not better wide your mamma, ever comment section, so baswa. No she for any biashe. So, over Kaya, and Chabia, Bawumia Echo campaign, one of the towns, maybe if you couldn't but I have the video. Or campaign, Honomo, Emma, that the campaign, no time I won't me, CB. I can see me far. I do boy home. Somewhere 19th to 19th Honomono. I know they and say we a tuja.
Nyansani ni mdiye wo. Na naboko semundiye. 1992 ye di ewura adubu ahen. Ani ade na koye. Ye jitu musa ya wene anu nti yakotro stolen verdict. Ana ya me ya MPs ne so anko parliament. Nenumu yare ka nipa ho yade ya. And until 1996, aya running mate, onuano nana, senofa. Ne papa, ne nana. Anna 96, ya chin to no kusi so. Yewra J. Kufuor. Yadi Yewra J. Kufuor ko ye. Now Shabema Rollins. Wababa Yeku 1979. Waba Yeku 1981. Na watena so saa kwa pim 1996 na one ne ko akansie ye ko ye ko to abado na Ewuraje Ekufuor na wanya 39%. The dru ba bi abrabomu sa wo hye ase a na nya wie ya no no abrabomu sa wo hye ase a na nya wie ya no no, especially in politics. When you fail in the elections, it doesn't mean say it's the end of your political life. Eti Ewuraje Ekufuor ne yemra yasesa ma ye ho no e kire say uko mpremienu a untimi nko bio. Eti Ewuraje Ekufuor ne Rollins koye na onya 39% no. Na chese lesson 2000 no onko bio.
Na this and same way na chema untimi ekaye no ana minim how Kennedy ese hu video no. Menim say bia obi di AI generative video no foforo de Bawumia like ejina mu kasa asem na mintimi nkire, because in the video it was clear. I said chema untimi gina ho no abro ne nsem so. But menim how information see reach Kennedy Agyapong. Menim say bia obi ko tamu video no the AI ko recreative video no my video bia ono no replace chema untimi with Bawumia there, I can't tell. But video we na chema untimi yen no ana enra Kennedy Akompra Agyapong eko PM ewo Upper East. Say oko campaign ema hono de obrobro niam je say oba obetimi ayama party no any ade.
And the only man who can bring peace to the Boko enclave is Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and it's a fact, because I've been a chairman for Defense and Interior Committee, and I made several efforts to bring the two parties together, but unfortunately, the last hour it did not work, and whatever happened did happen. Because I'm only a member of Parliament and the chairman of the committee, I didn't have enough power to put an end to the war. So please, have confidence that when Kennedy Agyapong is in power, peace will reign in the Boko enclave. Because what I want you to know is that you've been endowed with so many things that we can do to develop Boko zone. I fell in love with the area when I first visited, because you produce a lot of things that Ghana we need. The only thing lacking is factories. And I assure you, I'm going to bring industries to this enclave. I've made all contacts through the police, through the military, and the advice, as well as Boko Naba. And the advice was that I shouldn't come there. And I didn't want to provoke anybody. If you are law-abiding, you really have to listen to advice. That is why I couldn't come, and I've taken opportunity to speak to you through Zoom. So those who are saying that, oh, he couldn't come here, he did not come even to say thank you to you. Let me address this problem of thank you. First, anybody who goes to election and loses, and a new flag bearer is chosen, you cannot go out there ahead of him to say thank you to people. They will misconstrue it that you are undermining the person. That is why I stayed back. And the fact is, even during the thank you tour, when I followed the team, a young man from Tech was stabbed because of the support I was willing around that time. So please, anybody who comes there to say that, oh, he didn't come, I didn't want to take the shine from the flag bearer, and it would have been misconstrued that I was undermining him. That is why I stayed away. So that is the explanation to that. Why? My first aim is to move Ministry of Agriculture to Tamale, the center of the 5 northern regions. Why? Because you have vast arable lands that are not utilized. I want to utilize it. 2, I'm going to make Tamale Airport as a hub for cargo. Most of our products, fresh vegetables, carrots, and all those things, will go to European market within 5 hours. From 11 p.m. by 5 a.m., when the plane takes off at 11 p.m. from Tamale Airport, by 5 a.m. is at the European or UK market. Let's compare ourselves to Burkina. They are not angels. Why? This young man is transforming the country. If you go to Burkina, or the sound you hear is boom, boom, boom. It is not guns or ammunition. Just as you hear in Boko, and it's not about propaganda. It's not about people who come from there. They come from your area. So haven't they seen or haven't they learned anything about factories or industrialization? The only thing they want is they want you to vote for them, always to lord themselves over you. Some are saying that, oh, vote for this man. He has promised to make me a minister. What has he promised you too? It's a good question that you have to ask them. If they promise the ministerial appointment for their family, what about your family? What about your children? What about people on the street? Where are our leaders? Our leaders are always instigating a fight, which will not help the country as well as your area. So believe in me that I'm an industrialist, an entrepreneur, a businessman. My focus is to create employment for the youth of this country. The youth don't have jobs. I believe that if the youth in that region have jobs, nobody can even instruct them to go and fight. So that's my way to come out with peace. Employment, employment, employment.
Na ne kasa nto aso na we so beti si Bawumia so. Oja we hemu a na 20th aka just 11 days na delegates no ekwa akotwa benti anibra bapa. Enti anibra ba no ana Kennedy ekire mu se delegate no ma omo ento ma Bawumia adaya hu nipa awiase wem otwatro ese Bawumia da na sem ne se ya Bawumia ekoka se edubu ahe na oyare enti na one contest miwa asem no eye chama wontumi ene kan ye but ensem we ana Kennedy Agyapong e kan ye.
I've never seen a liar like our former flag bearer on earth. He's a liar. Said edubu ahe one contested because na oyare. This man is a liar. Today I tell you he's a liar. You shouldn't vote for a liar. A man who is lying to have power. Wow. Won't hear the history. Edubuahi, occurred 1992. and we winning. And now, general election and we lose. 1996, the former black flag bearer, Ejine Kumasi, Kasena Edubuahi Yare. Kufuor contested Edubuahi in 1996, and Kufuor BT Edubuahi. Edibeye flag bearer. He was fighting to go on the post, and they did not agree. And we contested. I will pay power. We be able to mine him now to be detro a distorted history. Say, Mesra Mamon to Abama. Bawumia. Obia man in nickname so we're a liar. More than a bar, we're a liar, and the people are not going to vote for him. He's not a trustworthy person. When I heard him yesterday saying that, I said, what? A presidential candidate who wants people to vote for him will look eyeball to eyeball and lie. He's a big liar. Men the makachira money. We're a liar. So Timiko General said, na Edubuahin yare. Wow. Timesram, Edubuahin was contested by Kufuor. And Kufuor BT, you know. Edibeye, Munko checking history. In the mama met two new second chance. Many have told me, I am more popular than him in this country. I'm telling you today, me am more popular than him. Who knows him? The only people, those who know him as a liar. And he continues to lie. That is why we lost. One to me economy who wants them be a digital. Am I lose you? And you people that I'm talking to know why you didn't vote for him, because of the tribal conflict. The tribal conflict. And we lost the 5 northern regions. And he's lying, he said, oh no, when you're the highest vote. Kufuor had 20 seats, parliamentary seats, and now we're 10. How can you say, when you're the highest vote? Mesrem. A trona papa ni di for power no di. Mudi agro ko ye mistake se munya. Ye be say atena opposition. Ko Ghana ni di antroso no. Omo say tron ko na wodi. A tron wodu Ashanti region. Why so desperate he say a tron ko na have the wodi. And why we want to win power. And if you want to win power, ask the Muslims themselves. They will tell you. Say oko adum cheho edi ayikogu na nti yantoma no oko nungwa yomu shrine edi ayigu nsi yantoma no. The Muslims say it all the time. The Christians are saying yantoma no. So what are we saying? Do we want to lose power? When these same Muslims say bring Kennedy Agyapong, Christians are saying bring Kennedy Agyapong. And you are not catching and say what is Zongo, Muslim, nothing votes, remember. What happened in the north? And you are aware, you are the very people more witness say his brutality. I have to tell you the truth. What you say? In this hour and Trona or Nam Didieno and no Kurabemo will lose election. Tibunya Bo, Amontua Bama Kennedy Agyapong. Near Manukure and Nedi and Ghanaian politics. That's right. People in Boko Enkle, you know very well. The tribal conflict played a role for us to lose. Religious problems caused us because of him. He has to accept it. The boys home says he come at me. I'm about to say, young two mano, or no go jina doom chey, and young two mano, young go. They tell me all the time. They come to me. They tell me. And you almost person kataso tribal conflict, any religious problems. It's a fact. And you are there. You experience it yourself. It is a trona will di country because he wants power. And yet you are. The mesra munya gidi. Se Ghana, you bet me aye. Bedemasi. I mean sure munya.
I just wondered. Na I am nwanwa. Se chama wuntimi aka nasem. Na yede aba no ekobo obi otenchan. Se nipa kro na aka. I don't get it. Emma, enwa me say we that flyer be apie. Every Kennedy no mana Kennedy can say me say even without the support of Bawumia in the camp. Say Bawumia in the camp when I just say omo ntomo no Kennedy on fa ho. He knows how to win the general election. And I see these words as bragging. Eya numudwa. Nyabotre ema abunfu. Nyabotre maybe chire machiro. Eya numudwa. And eya numudwa. With all due respect, Honorable Kennedy must be very careful because he must be careful. In a way, my mentor I'm say eya numudwa. Kennedy claim we said se Bawumia come because we want to mana or okay or bury 2016, you call general election between Mahama and Akufo-Addo. These were the vote results, the election results. Akufo-Addo enya 5.7 million total votes, constitute to 53.72% of the election. Mahama enya 4.7 million, constitute to 44.53%. That's almost over 1 million votes difference. 2020, Akufo-Addo enya total vote of 6.7 million. 6.7 million constitute to 51.3%. Mahama enya 6.2 million constitute to 47.36%. And about 2024. In 2024, no, Bawumia ekonya 4.6 million because that time Kennedy camp do not know Tuaban. Meaning Kennedy camp Oman Tuaban. Kennedy camp Anto. You go believe say Bawumia there. They will not throw their support for Bawumia. Oman Tuaban. They didn't vote Oman to. And the Kennedy camp Anto Abano 2024 no krano. Ohe vote Bawumia nkwenya ye 4.6 million. Oko tifri de Akufo-Addo nyaye. Bawumia enya 4.6 million. Mahama enya 6.3 million. Utifri ma difference 1.7 million. Mama chade ohe 2020 vote Akufo-Addo nyaye all the way near 6.7. And the Mahama nyaye 6.2 at 2024 no Mahama enya addition of less than addition of just 100,000 votes. Meaning say Mahama nipa bi antwama no. Onya just 100,000 vote increment. Just 100,000. But Bawumia a vote and a subeti who from 2020 6.7 million to 4.6 million in 2024. That is over 2.1 million vote difference. The NPP for nipa 2.1 million and Tuaba, and they all believe to come from Bawumia Kennedy camp Omanto. It is a calculation different one. Necessary Kennedy Ekase without the support of Bawumia or you okay or him how to win the election with my Renia Bana. And not this is the calculation. 2020 omo nyina camp omo both Bawumia and Kennedy camp. Omo nyina tuma Akufo-Addo no. Akufo-Addo enya 6.7 million. 2024 na Bawumia camp got Kennedy camp Antono. Bawumia was able to put 4.6 million. Is all got Bawumia nyaye and other win ye. If Akufo-Addo 2020 ni the difference was 2.1 million, and it is believed said the 2.1 million no and a year for Kennedy compare ko Agyapong. Honorable said I can eya numudwa. With all due respect, eya numudwa, we don't talk like that. Won't mean can say without the camp of Bawumia nkwambe win any possible. That would be your ugliest defeat ever. I am telling the truth. You should have mu aspirant mu nyina mu fa ekwamezon kam hu mu fa wodo nyaade no. Mamo nya say mu tiny pass mesi wait time eni bre mu mani bre memu. Eye fie ba akwa ana mu nya mo pre ho. This is not the general election. Mo we anyway ya. Afa na woni opposition party di kosi akan. Eti mo amu ntena no se mo amu de abufuo ni ayade bi ebe mu na ntretwetwa bi ebe mu na otan ebe mu bi mu a. Se camp bia cast unsupported in the general election. The one camp alone cannot go and win. And it's possible. You should find ways and means to come together. Because you say you know how to win. And it's possible. That you know it can be possible. Kennedy camp, what say? Without Bawumia camp, a nipa oko puli 4.6 million. So all these 4.6 million. Ekas omun tuabane mawa. Kennedy. Think of this. How many votes can you put? Unkwa no camp. Moya do say. Moya do say. Mo NPP party no kura bibi dodo. Moya do say. Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Penyah Block Media. Accra.